We're here with Miss
Hewitt, Charmaine Hewitt,
from the NLA.
Land Agent. I'm the manager for business services.
Nice. So we heard about a very nice service that you guys offer.
Yes.
You want to tell them about the service?
Right. We have what is known as JAMPROP, which is Jamaica Property Sales Data Subscription Service. It provides you with registered transfer for registered parcels. You have strata titles information as well as a mortgage listing. It's an online platform, so you can actually, in the comfort of your own home or your office, you can visit our website at www.nla.gov.jm and you can go to JAMPROP. Then you can sign up. Once you sign up, and you make contact with us in office, we will activate your account. The information that is available, you can do your sales comparables. You have three aspects to the system. You have the spatial component, you have your textual component, and you have your graphical component. The graphical component allows you to do your comparison. You can compare from one period to another graphically. And also the spatial component is the mapping component, rather textual component allows you to do comparison again, but this time you can compare for different period, different parishes.
Okay.
For argument's sake, let's say for, Kingston and St. Anne's are a very popular place, well sought after. You can actually generate sales information from one period to another. We go back as far back as 2004 to current. With the current information, you can compare and analyze, right? Mm-hmm. For argument's sake, the last 3 years, a property was sold in Cherry Garden for $60 million. In 2024, now you want to see what the going rate is. You can actually look at JAMPROP and do your analysis to say, okay, I can put on an extra 10% on these sales, right?
Yeah.
And persons are in development. If you are planning on doing development and you want to know, in different areas, what is the property market going on within Jamaica, you can actually use JAMPROP for that.
So nice. That sounds great to me, and that will help you as a returning resident.
Definitely.
Your research
right.
while you're overseas. So you don't have to come back to Jamaica.
Exactly.
Come do it. You can do it
right
the NLA from their website. It sounds good.
Definitely.
Thank you for having me.
Right, thank
Appreciate it. I learned a lot.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.